Hello all and welcome back. This week's video was almost a missed opportunity because it was not in my quote unquote plans. An opportunity to get Remnant scrap quartz countertops for my kitchen and bathroom came along at a great price and I jumped on it. The only catch, I would be responsible for disconnecting and reconnecting my bathroom plumbing. The installers had 2 appointments before install. It was a go for the kitchen and questionable on the material for the bathroom. On install day, I was told by one of the installers he was able to bring the quartz for the bathroom too. While the 2 installers were busy in the kitchen, I rushed to disconnect the plumbing and faucet in the powder room. This left me unprepared to record. This was the beginning of the almost missed opportunity. The new sink did not line up with the plumbing. It was about 2.5 to 3 inches over too far. I inspected the plumbing. I decided I would make an attempt at redoing the plumbing. I took pictures of what was there, making note that it had to curve to connect and that my drain assembly needed to come straight down. My plan was to find the male and female threaded connection in the same 1.5 PVC. But guess what? I could not find the Charlotte brand threaded P-trap connectors. I went to the repair and replacement part in the plumbing section and located this. I did locate in the Charlotte brand the different angles. Not sure which one I needed. I got 3 angle coupling pieces and a 5-foot PVC pipe. These are what contractors would use. Make sure if you're doing this, you get the right size for your plumbing. I picked up a 90, 60, and a 22.5 degree angle. Now this is really why I'm sharing this plumbing video with you. Look at how much I spent. This is very affordable material and worth you attempting to DIY it. Just make sure you're monitoring the sink after for leaks and that before you even start, you shut off the water, turning the water valves completely off. Back home, I'm replacing the sink trap section with the new kit. I'm using a hacksaw to cut the old PVC plumbing out. This is the location I've decided would give me the best spot to connect the new to the old. I determined the 22.5 degree angle coupling is the right one. I dry fit everything before I permanently attach the 22.5 degree angle coupling. I then attach on the other side of that 22.5 degree coupling a piece of new 3.5 PVC pipe. This piece of pipe will reach to the new sink trap connection. This replacement sink trap has 3 parts: the arm that connects to the glued PVC pipe, the P-trap, and the adjustable extension that connects to the drain assembly. In my case, I actually cut this adjustable extension to get a more accurate fit for my sink. Because I was reusing my existing drain assembly unit and I wanted a great fit, I took the time to add plumber's tape and I wrapped the thread of the drain assembly. But it couldn't go that smooth. I had a leak at the rubber washer that is attached to the drain assembly unit. I just went back to the store. I picked up a simple rubber washer gasket and came home. I installed that. As you see, still affordable, and that solved the problem. So once everything was done and completed, I think I spent anywhere between $30 and $35. That includes the primer for the PVC piping and the cement for the PVC piping. Very affordable. So I wanted to share this with you because that's the purpose of this channel. We're going to learn together, we're going to grow together, and we're going to learn some life skills around being homeowners, and just to show you that this is very doable. This is plumber's tape and plumber's putty. Plumber's putty was used at the top of the drain assembly unit. Now that was everything under the sink, but I can't forget to mention the faucet and the top of the drain assembly unit. The faucet simply slips into the rough openings on the countertop, and it's a matter of just screwing the male and female hose connections to the faucet. For the top of the drain assembly unit, this needs plumber's putty. The plumber's putty goes under the ring that sits on the sink, and this creates a waterproof seal. Make sure that once the putty is secure in place, that you do not rotate or twist the ring that sits in the sink. The tightening of the drain assembly should happen from under the sink. You should see putty being forced out from under that ring. Simply wipe away the excess putty. Here are a few pictures to recap the updated quartz countertops in my kitchen and bathroom. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. If so, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you all for watching. I appreciate all the encouragement and support. Leave me a comment, and until next time, bye-bye for now.